it's Miss Tate. I'm here to show you and give you a reminder about how we write our sentences and how we can have awesome handwriting, because we're great writers and great writers need to have great handwriting, okay? So we know at school we use big paper like this, right? We see that we have a line on top, we have our dotted line in the middle, and then we have another line on the bottom, and that tells us where we draw our capital letters, our big letters, and where we draw our lowercase letters, our small letters. Well, some of us don't have that paper at home, but we do have some paper, maybe like this. And we can turn this paper into our big paper, and it will help us write our letters the right way, okay? So I'm gonna write a sentence, and I'm going to show you how we can make our paper like this into our paper like this. So I'm going to write my name on the big paper so we know that our capital and our lower cases go in their certain places. So let me get my marker out. I see my top line, my middle line, and my bottom line. I know that my capital letters go all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. All the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. That's my capital M. Miss, that's my lowercase. I just went to the middle line for my lowercase. I don't go all the way to the top, just to the middle line. Miss Tate. I need a capital T because it's my name. Capital goes all the way to the top, and all the rest are gonna be lowercase letters. So they're gonna go to the middle line, not the top, just the middle. T-A, I had the top in the middle and my bottom at the bottom. My lowercase t, we cross it in the middle, and my lowercase e, it just goes to the middle line and to the bottom line. Okay, so we see our capital and our lowercase letters. Now, let's look at our paper that we have at home. So we have little bitty lines on our paper at home, right? Well, I've shown you that we can draw lines to make it big, just like our big paper. So make sure you draw a line on top, and then let's count how many lines in the middle. 1, 2, 3 lines in the middle, and then we're gonna draw another big line on the bottom, okay? So now we have our big line. We need to make our middle line, our dotted line, just like this one. So let me draw my dotted line so we can tell where our capital letters go and where our lowercase letters go, okay? So I'm gonna write my name again now that I have my lines for my capital and my lowercase, and we can do it just like we did on these, okay? Make sure that we're gonna have a finger space in between our words so they're not smushed together. So my capital M goes all the way to the top. My lowercase s stops in the middle for Miss Tate. It doesn't go all the way to the top. My capital T goes all the way to the top, and then my lowercase letters stay in the middle and at the bottom. And I also left my finger space right in the middle because they're two different words. Remember, I want you to hold your pencil the right way, okay? We don't hold it like this. We don't hold it like this. We hold it the right way when we're writing, okay? Make sure that you're holding it the right way. Let's write a sentence together really quickly so we can remember some of the things that we need to do when we're writing our sentences, okay? Let me get another marker out. I'm gonna use my paper over here. And let's make sure that we can see our lines, because these are kind of small. Okay, my sentence, I'm gonna use some sight words. So if you hear me say some sight words, think about them. I wonder if you can find which ones they are. Okay, my first word of my sentence is gonna be my. My sentence is gonna say, my cat likes to play. So I start my sentence with a capital or a lowercase letter? It's a capital letter, a big letter. So I'm gonna go all the way from the top, all the way to the bottom. My, M, Y. I have my lowercase y, it stops in the middle. Let me get my finger space. My cat. Is this next word going to be capital or lowercase? It's going to be lowercase because it's not at the beginning of a sentence. It's in the middle. So I'm going to have a lowercase c. Cat. Have my finger space, and they're all lowercase. Likes. Likes is a sight word. Likes. My lowercase l is going to go to the top. There's my I. K. And then a silent E. We don't hear it, but we know it's there. Likes. All my lowercase letters are in the middle. My cat likes to. I'm going to cross my T in the middle and make sure I have my finger space so all my words aren't mushing together. My cat likes to. T, O, still lowercase letters. Make sure I have my finger space. My cat likes to play. I'm going to make my lowercase p, L, P, U, A, Y. Y. It's lowercase, so it stays underneath the line. My cat likes to play. Awesome, we're missing one thing. What needs to go at the end? Either a period or an exclamation point, right? I'm gonna put an exclamation point because I'm excited. My cat likes to play. I have all of my words. I have my first letter. It's a capital, so it goes all the way to the top. I can see my middle line, and that's where my lowercase letters start. And I have my exclamation point or my period at the end, and I made sure that I have all my finger spaces in between my words so I can tell all of my words apart. Okay? So when you're doing your writing at home, I want you to think about all the things that we just talked about. Make sure your capitals and your lowercases are all either capital or lowercase. We can tell the difference. And make sure that they're starting in the right spots, okay? You can make your paper look like my paper just by drawing lines. So we want to see you do your best job at writing your sentences and your words at home, okay? Okay guys, bye!